Yo, man, it's your boy Sheeski here, man, back with another banger video. And today's video, man, we're doing another POV. This time we're driving through the city. Bro, I only uploaded a day ago, bro. I need to slow down, bro, man. But at the same time, I'm pretty sure y'all love this content, bro. So I'm gonna keep dropping, bro. Hey, we might just turn to a daily uploader. Who knows? We're getting there, though. I at least do it every 2 or 3 days. And I see we had a lot of new subscribers join up and everything like that. I really appreciate y'all so much. Y'all make me keep going. So if y'all are new to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. It's free form of support and all that, liking and commenting, you know, telling me like what Mopar car you got and everything like that, or if you are trying to get into the game, which one you think you're going for, bro. Yeah, man, I got an SXT Plus, bro. It's dope though. I ain't gonna lie, I love the car, man. Like I said, I tell y'all every video, this car, it definitely changed my life, and it could change your life too, man. Like just having a Challenger in general, it doesn't matter which one it is, bro. Don't let all these influencers, bro, be trying to make y'all feel less than because y'all got a V6, bro. If you riding clean, you're riding clean, bro. These cars are clean cars, bro. They're really nice, you know what I'm saying? The V6 specifically, very gas efficient, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all don't like have that money to be shelling out on gas like that, I wouldn't recommend getting a V8 or a Hemi, bro, because that Hemi gonna start drinking gas, bro. So, you know, take your time, and, you know, work your way up with these cars. I took it to Nashville yesterday, bro. I should have took y'all with me, bro. It was so fun, bro. It was some dudes on the motorcycle racing the car and stuff like that. I beat one dude on the motorcycles though. I think motorcycles are honestly cool though. I think I should grab one. It's just like, if you crash out on a motorcycle, guys, y'all know you can really wreck some shit. Like literally, bro, you can mess yourself up on a motorcycle. I like the added safety of a car. Not saying a car is the safest thing, but bro, the added safety, bro. Like, if you're on a motorcycle and you get hit, that's it. Like 9 times out of 10, that's it. Yeah, but there was some dudes racing us on a motorcycle. We went downtown Nashville. Yeah, I need to take y'all down through there, bro. Downtown Nashville, that's dope. Maybe I'll do some squeeze bin stuff. I'm just talking. That's how you get arrested. The thing about these POV videos, you gotta just do it smart, man. Cause like, if you always, you know, going 100 miles per hour, you hitting like, you know how Squeeze Ben be driving, and he be like, that's how he got caught up. He kept on doing all that crazy stuff. Like, y'all just need to chill and ride, man. Like, I always advise y'all this, like, hey, have fun out there on the road and do your thing, you know what I'm saying? If you're on the interstate, you know, ride, man. But at the same time, y'all gotta be aware of the laws, bro. Yeah, I'm a Mopar owner saying that, but bro, you gotta be aware of the laws, bro. If you're not aware of the laws, you're gonna get cooked by the police. And I don't want to see none of my subscribers talking about, yeah, man, I was going 145 on the interstate and the police stopped me. Nah, man, I don't want that to be none of my supporters. And it's not hard to do, bro. Just follow the rules, bro. You don't have to worry about nothing. Follow the rules, man. But besides that, man, life is real good with me, you know. We're doing pretty good. I got another channel that I do. It's called Rashid Jackson. That's where I drop my credit sauce and all that. Like, basically, I show how I got approved with this car and all that kind of stuff. If y'all need to know how to get approved for a Challenger or anything like that, yeah, go check out my other YouTube channel, man. I dropped a video like how to get up to a $50,000 auto loan, because, you know, a lot of us, you know, we might not be fortunate enough to buy these cars cash. That's something y'all can let me know too. Were y'all like giving your cars as a gift? Did y'all buy them? Like, how did that work? You know, me personally, I got it myself. I ain't need a cosigner or nothing. But like I said, it was a smart financial decision. That's why I did it. Yeah, I should have got a newer one. Maybe I could have got it like 2023, but I got a 17. But you know, I got a decent deal on it too. So I'm like, not really, you know, too mad at it. You know, 'cause if you get a decent deal on the car, bro, hey man, it's worth it. And then, like, you know, you have some people that be riding up in them beat cars all the time. Like, you know, they be riding around like 02, 03 cars. That used to be me, but at the same time, bro, like, it's 2024. You gotta have your reliable car. Like, some people be like, man, you know, it be people that don't have a car note, and they be like, you shouldn't get a car note because if you get a car note, you got to pay that every month. I'm like, okay, I get what you're saying. You do have to pay the car note every month, but at the same time, let's think about the repairs and stuff on it. Like, say you get like a used car, you might have put a new engine in it, a new CP axle, transmission. Like, bro, you could just ride. See, like I said, all I gotta do is pay my car payment and pay my insurance, and I'm good. I could just ride. That's why I like. I don't want no car that I gotta work on and get on the ground and all that kind of stuff, or be worrying about it going to a shop. Cause imagine if you only got one car, bro. That's like me right now. I'm rocking one car. So if I got one car and I crash out this one car, or the one car starts messing up, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to fix the car in the same day, come need another car. So me getting like a 05, 06 car, but I gotta work on it all the time, doesn't make sense. That's why I was trying to tell people, man, like, I get people want to be cheap, bro, sometimes, but being cheap is not always the best thing. You want to be able to get in the car, like, you want to just be able to, you know, hit your button, you're good. You can go on with your day. That, to me, that just makes the most sense. Instead of, oh, snap, it'll crank today, but guess what? Tomorrow it might not crank. I'm going to go get me another starter. I'm like, man. Now, if you're in that stage right now, you're trying to move up, I understand it, but just eventually understand that, you know, you got to move out that, bro. Like, go on and get you something you like, man. And I always tell y'all this, too. It's a YOLO thing in life. You only live once. So don't just spend your whole life being cheap, because that's what some people do. And I mean, yeah, you need to make sure you preserve money too, and make sure you're straight and everything financially. I'm not saying not to do that. I want y'all to be straight financially, but at the same time, I want y'all to understand that you need to have fun with your life, man. Go out for a weekend, go do your thing, you know, buy you a nice car if you can afford it. Do that, man. Because like I said, let's say tomorrow all of us just crash dead or something like that, or a war break out or anything. If we didn't do what we wanted to do, at the end of it, we would have regretted us not doing it. So it's like, at this time in life, y'all need to just go ahead and do what you feel is best for you. Go have some fun, man. That's how I live my life. So I don't care what nobody got to say. You like the car, you like the car. You don't like the car, you don't like the car. It is what it is. Like, it's always somebody that's going to be hating on you, because this is how it really works. And I'm going to tell you how it works exactly in the Mopar community. So say, for example, you get a V6. Okay, they be like, oh, it ain't no Hemi. You go get the RT. They be like, oh, it ain't no Scat though. It ain't no Scat though. You go get the, you go get the Scat Pack. It ain't no Hellcat. It ain't no Hellcat. You go get the Hellcat. It ain't no Demon. Like, bro, they always are gonna say something about what you got going on. So it's just like, you gotta do you in like all regards of life. Just do you. Do what you feel, bro. Don't do what nobody else tells you to do. Do what you feel. You want to get that car, bro, go get it. If I motivate one of y'all go get a V6, bro, I hope I do, man. Just go get it, bro. There's nothing wrong with getting a V6 car, bro. Some people think it's something wrong with it. It's nothing wrong with it. It's a gas efficient car. If you want to daily drive the car, this is perfect. Something like I do. I daily drive this car like crazy. Yeah, I'm taking y'all through. This is the city and everything like that. I'm not going to disclose my location and all that too bad. Just know I stay in Alabama. Y'all got to show me some of y'all bills too, man. Follow me on Instagram, Sheedski, SHEEDSKII. Y'all should send me some of y'all bills, man. I want to see what y'all working with. Cause like I said, this is a beautiful community. We all have nice cars. We all like to ride dirty, blast some tunes. Hey, bro, if you you get that Challenger, man. First thing I did was I threw on some music, turned it up real loud, ride with the window down. I think everybody does that when they get their car, bro. Man, this is nice, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Like I said, I'm just so happy with life right now. This thing right here really changed my life. It really did. And being able to drop videos to you guys changed my life. Like, this is just a experience we all getting right now. You know, I'm driving the car, going through the city. Y'all are watching me drive it. It feels like y'all in the car with me, man. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, y'all need to make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe as well, man. That really helps out a ton, for sure. But yeah, like I was saying, man, make sure y'all stay focused and everything in life. Just make sure y'all do that. Stay focused. I always try to drop some advice for y'all before I get out of here. Stay focused. Don't give up. Stay safe. Don't get locked up going 150 miles per hour. You'll be all right, bro. So I'm gonna get up out of here. W video, W Sheedski. We have fun. I'm gonna lock out of here. All right, y'all. Peace out. Y'all be safe. Have a very good day. Sheedski out. Bye.